Good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. Today we will learn about phonics. Initial sounds of letter G and letter H. Let's sing the phonics sound of letters G and H. You ready? You can sing along with me. The G says G, the G says G. Every letter makes a sound. The G says G. The H says the H says every letter makes a sound. The H says That was amazing. This is upper G, or this is G, upper G and lower G. Can you say G? Very good. Let's say it together for 3 times. Ready? G, G, G. Goat, meh, goat. G, G, G. Guitar, guitar. Let's write the letter G, upper G and lower G. Circle back, all the way around and across in upper G, lower G. Circle back all the way, pull down, straight, and curve back to the left, lower G. Let's practice. If you have your pencil and your paper in there, you can practice with me, okay? Just follow. Circle back, all the way around and across in upper G, lower G. Circle back, all the way around, pull down straight, and curve back to the left, lower G. Good job, kids. Now let's go to H. This is H, upper H, lower H. It makes the sound. Can you say good job? Let's say it together. Happy. When you're happy, you smile. Like this girl. Happy. Hungry. I'm hungry. Hungry. Let's write letter H, upper H and lower H. Ready? Pull down, across, Pull down, upper H, lower H. Pull down, straight, curve forward to the right, pull down straight, lower H. Let's practice one more time. Your pencil must be ready there in your paper. Alright, upper H, pull down, across, pull down, lower H, pull down straight, curve forward to the right, pull down straight, lower H. So, did you understand already? Do you have questions? This time, we will have our short test. Let's see if you can answer. If you really understand Teacher Beth. Okay, ready? Which letter begins with this picture? Goat. Meh. Is it G or is it H? Good job. If you answer this letter G or G, goat, goat, you are correct. Number 2. Which letter begins with this picture? Hungry. Is it G or is it H? Hungry. Hungry. Did you answer this? You are correct. Hungry. Hungry. Number 3. Listen and choose the picture. I'm going to choose a picture. I'm going to say the picture and then you're going to choose. Okay? Okay. You choose the picture of guitar. Which of this picture is a guitar? Did you see it already? Good job! This one is guitar. G. Guitar. Guitar. Very good. Let's go to number 4. Choose the picture. Happy. Happy. Do you have answer already? Happy. Very good. Happy. Let's wrap up our lesson. Thank you so much, kids. What are these letters? What sound of this letter? What sound of this letter? What are the initial letter sounds of these pictures? What are the initial letter sounds of these pictures? Alright, kids, thank you so much for your participation. See you again next time. Goodbye.